gate. You're going to the market with me?
Yes, as instructed by my boss, your husband.
Wait a minute. You mean my husband asked you to go to the market with me? Yeah. Or any other place?
True. So true.
You know what? You can actually just go to the market yourself then. This is the money and the list.
Madam, I'm very sorry. I'm just doing my job. This is how I feed my family.
I don't care if you're doing your job or trying to feed your family. I said you can have the money and the list.
Madam, please. I'm not trying to suffocate you. Please, it's an instruction. Let's go. Please. I know how you feel. Let's go.
What is going on?
In there is 7.5 million naira. Now, we have a client who wants two fresh, and I want these two delivered in 3 days.
3 days, boss?
Yes, 3 days.
Boss, we can deliver in 3 days, but the problem is that the security in the country now is very tight. So I will ask if you can give us 3 to 5 days to deliver unfailingly.
Excuses, 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 excuses. You of all people know I don't like excuses, and you're getting on my last nerve. That nerve that really gets me edgy and very, very much more edgy than you can ever feel.
Okay, boss. Can deliver.
I'm a businessman. So when I invest, I expect to make profits, okay? So this means when I make gains, you make gains. When I make profits, you make profits. I make money, you make money. When I lose, you all will not like me. You understand me? Now there are preys out there. Go hunting, and if I say I want this fresh in 3 days, they must be delivered in 3 days.
Okay, boss. We'll try.
Which brings me to my next question. How about those who have recovered?
Yeah, we'll take care of them tonight.
If they are able, let them go. If they are strong enough, let them go. Keep it clean. I don't want scandals. Scandals.
Guys, 3 days.
Abelato. 3 days. Mucho good.
Oh my goodness! My see, it's not fair. You and Brenda just forgot me. Even for my father's burial, you didn't come. What happened?
It's not the way you say. We don't have time. We don't have time. We have to go.
Are you stupid?
We have to go, madam.
What do you mean we have to go? Can't you see I'm talking to somebody?
Madam, no, I don't do things on my own. I'm under instructions. We have to buy and go.
Please just keep quiet. Let me finish talking to one. I'm talking to another. You have to go. You have to go. Are you a robot?
Hey, you! Come on! Be there! I'll shoot you!
What is wrong with you? Why are you harassing me this way?
Madam, let's go. Let's go. We don't have time.
What do you mean we don't have time? I'm just saying hi to a friend. Are you a mad person?
Madam, hold on. Let's go, madam.
You know what? It's okay. I'll call you.
Are you now in prison or something?
I don't understand. I'll call you. Okay?
All right.
Let's go.
Just shut up.
Excuse me, I'm sorry for myself.
Hi! When is this man coming? I told him to come very as quickly.
Mommy.
Hi! Babajide! Hey!
You know that thing I discussed with you?
Yes.
That was where I'm just coming from now. I went to collect that thing.
Are you with it? You let me have
He's here with me, Ke.
I trust you.
Now listen carefully. This thing that I have just handed over to you now is very powerful. Oh.
I know.
Don't misuse it. Oh.
No.
You are going to apply it, a little of it. You put it in your palm and then you rub it on your face. The moment she looks at you like this, it's just like a magnet.
Hi! Babajide.
She's all yours.
I know you very well. I can trust you. That is why you are my friend. Another one?
This is where I take it. You see this one that I've given to you? You are going to apply it in her food or her drink. The moment she drinks from that place
any food
or eat from it.
Babajide! I know you. You know we've been friends all the years and I trust you very well. I know what you can do. You see, I know that this thing will work very well. Is it going to work very well?
Landlord, why are you disgracing me now?
Oh, don't mention.
Since you know it's not going to work, then why did you contract it?
I said I trust you. Wait now, let me reward you.
Just use it according to the instruction and you have a testimony to come and give me.
Landlord, that's who I am. Of course. Wait, let me not count any. Put it very well. You know the country is good.
Landlord,
trust me now. We are friends.
anybody that come between you and I will die.
It will not happen in the first place.
Shango will kill them.
Hey.
Ogun will kill them.
Oludumare! Bring one bottle for my friend. Would you like to chop what we call shawarma?
Bring everything.
Shawarma. Do you know that one? Shawarma. I know you don't know it.
What was your wife? Oh yeah, she's coming. How was the journey?
Mama! Welcome, Mama.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, Mama. You're welcome.
You stand up. What are you doing sitting down? I mean, where's your home training? What do you mean? What is that? I mean, you see somebody who has come from a long journey, an old woman, and you're sitting there as what? As her mate? Can't you tell she's famished? What is your problem?
Okay, Mama. Is this how you talk to your wife?
Mama, it's okay.
So this is true.
Let me get to the kitchen and prepare you something very nice, okay? You're welcome.
No. So this is true. This is how you treat your wife. Your own wife, okay, Mama? Hey, it's unfair.
Mama, have a bit. Enjoy your food when it comes.
We really have a lot to talk when you come back. So this is true. Hey! Seeing is believing.
I said, let me come and see you because of what we discussed. Help your guy. Help your guy. I need to make money. I need to leave this village. Anything I can do to make money and put food on my table, I'm ready to do it. Bam. It's in the house. I will do it. If you want me to kneel down, I will kneel down.
You don't have to kneel down. See, let it be like we agreed. All you need to do is just to keep in touch. That's all. Don't worry, I'll help you now. You're not my guy again. Please. I'll help you. I'll come.
Let me go to the sea and become somebody like you. Look at you now. You're so fresh.
You become. Come and open gate for me. my neighbors.
It's alright. It's alright. Okay. Let me open gate for you. Eh? Big man. My guy.
Big gate.
Oh, yeah, go and drive out.
Mbamba kana balago, anya flago na boso. Mpakala malozo, malozo mpakala. Anya de afonte. Comfort. I am summoning your spirit. As soon as you set your eyes on me, you will fall in love with me. As soon as you set your eyes on me, you will fall in love with me. Comfort, fall in love. Comfort, fall in love and fall out of Ugochukwu. Fall in love, fall out of Ugochukwu. I'm a landlord. I will always take the bigger share of you, Comfort. Comfort.
Landlord. Any problem?
Problem? Hi, no. There is no problem, of course. I just want to inquire if Ugochukwu is back from the village.
Oh, no, he is not back, but I'm expecting him soon. Do you want to come in?
No, I mean, you are already going out. No, it's not need going inside.
I insist. You know, it's not every day a handsome and kind man like you visit. I am not complaining. I was actually on my way to the salon, but that can wait. I insist. Please come in.
Well, if you insist, but I would have preferred that we go to somewhere that is quiet, so that we can discuss under influence of some chilled beer. You know, they just brought light. It's been a while, so I don't have chilled beer in my fridge. So when we go, we can talk comfortably. Too, you know, it takes two to tangle. So they say. I'm only trying to experience it.
Okay, Oga Landlord, if you insist, your wish is my command. Yes.
My comfort. Please, just walk outside the gate. I will meet you there.
Okay, let me...
No, I will do that.
Oh.
I don't want people to, so quietly walk out. At the other stand, I will come out. Okay. I will meet you.
Stop crying, my daughter. Oh, the deed has been done. I'll talk to my son when he comes back. Oh, stop crying.
Mama, you don't understand it. You don't understand what I am going through in this house. Mama, I have become a prisoner in my own husband's house. I cannot even step an inch from this house without that policeman following me up and down. He has totally shut down my life. He monitors my calls, my messages. He has chased away everybody I call friends. How does he expect me to exist, Mama? How?
I've heard. It is okay. Oh, trust me. I will talk to my son when he comes back. Oh, everything will be fine. Stop crying.
It's okay, Mama. Thank you.
That's nothing. I am tired now. I need some rest.
Mama, I already made the food you requested, and I've served it.
I will eat when I wake. Oh, but for now, I need some rest.
Are you sure, Mama?
Sure.
Okay, let me take you to the guest room.
All right.
No, I'll be very stressed from...
Where are all these things now?
I don't tire. I don't tire, babe. I can't wait to get my own ride though.
I'm telling you. Person go just stand for sun from morning till night say they find keke.
She don't tire me. If I wait more, I go just dey go out.
You no serious.
I won't help you.
No girl now. I will wait. Give everything.
You say na bike, you no see. Eh?
If I see bike, I take bike.
If you say na wheelbarrow, I go just enter. Maybe they just push me go front.
You know where. I say no be today. But we no get time.
Today we need to upgrade though.
Hello, lovelies. Beautiful ladies. How you guys doing? Can you do us the honor of your company?
But it will cost you a lot.
You know, beautiful ladies like you deserve handsome men like us. You know, just to treat you the way you deserve. Money is not problem.
Okay? 100K each.
100K? 600,000. Let's make it 300.
Jeez.
Ladies, my name is Kido.
Yeah.
That is what my friends call me. May we know your names?
My name is Angela. But you can call me Angel.
No. Your name should be Iruka. Because those obstacles normally are full of shot. You get that? So, what of your own name, beautiful?
Okay, my name is Choma. But you can call me Chomi.
Assurance.
Me Chomi. That's a lovely name.
So, ladies, shall we? Ladies first.
Okay. Feel at home. Yeah. No. Of course. I do that very well. You know, this year after this, my head, let's go and enjoy. You can go in
Comfort. Feel comfortable. Whatever you want, I am capable. Just give me sign with one corner of your eye and I will order it. Ukwose, I told you to bring meat. Bring meat. You don't want pepper?
No, I want enough pepper.
Oh, you want enough pepper? Ukwose, enough pepper. I don't want to hear anything excuse. So what I'm trying to tell you is that enjoy yourself when it lasts. I have served this country for over 35 years. So money is not a problem. I'm enjoying the fruit of my labor. So, don't stress yourself no more. Stress yourself no more. I am at your service. And I'm at your beck and call. Hey.
Eat your food before it gets cold. You have been like this since morning. When did you? Oh, very soon everything will be all right.
Mama, nothing is going to be fine. I've lost hope. Nothing is going to be fine again. Because this thing is what I've been hearing from childhood. Now look at me at my age. Nothing is getting better. It will be fine 1 month ago. It will be fine 3 years. By the time I have gray hairs, or my children start crawling on the ground, it will be fine. Nothing is going to be fine. Let's call a spade a spade.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to yourself? See, if Ugo has promised that he will get you something, that you just have to give him some time, then give him some time to get you something.
Mama, I don't have time to give Ugo to get me something. What I have is Ugo to get me something. Look at Ugo. And if you cannot know, you need my advice. Look at Ugo of yesterday. That both of us we used to be here. We used to hustle here. Ugo is now a man that can, somebody that can drive car, big car. No one about to never my car. Got them. I don't know. No, I'm the one that is fit to suffer. And you go, we'll be the one driving car. And ask him, it will be better.
Oh,
nothing is going to be better. Let's tell the truth.
Do not bring curse upon yourself with your own mouth. Miko, patience. Patience, my child. Was he this rich before? Eh? If somebody told us that Okenwa will be this rich now, we will not believe that person. But look at him. But now, he is living massively rich. Eating anything he wants, driving any car he wants. Patience, my dear, patience. Don't bring curse upon yourself. God's time is the best.
That's why they write it God's time. Goose only. Don't you see it? Eh? Mama, there's nothing like God's time. No one to can be. All my life, I've been telling me God's time, God's time, God's time, God's time. No, Mama, I didn't mean what God's time. Other people are good to be making money. See, Mama, this is what I used to tell me now. Okay, man has tuke. Then, he used to have tuke. You are aware. Me, do I have tuke? Talk me about tuke.
But at least you have food to eat.
Which food? Mama, is this food? This is potty.
Mama, from
is this food?
This is not food.
Mama, is this kind of food I'm supposed to be eating at my age? Others are eating chicken. I'm eating one meat. Mama, this is not food. This is food. Now, there's no udu there.
Comfort. I said enjoy yourself. Do you want more meats? More meat. Hell, who was it?
Before then, I want to eat myself.
Oh, you want to use yourself?
Yes.
Oh, that's lovely. Hey. My sweet, elegant tooth. Oh, innocent. Who was it? Bring more meat. Oh, quickly. Who was it? Be preparing your beef so ahead of time. Eh? Emankozo. Let me clean it. Emankozo. Hasene manka. You are back. Yes. My lovely baby.
I feel very light now.
Oh, that's why I like you. You're okay. You're always okay. This is the meat, eh? Okay. Since I opened this drink, you have not taken. Oh, I know. Enjoy.
I don't want to drink again.
I told you to enjoy. In fact, let me serve. I said I am romantic. I'm more romantic. Wait, I will feed you. I could be more romantic. I said I have served this country. Drink. Just drink. Eh? You see that boy? That boy called Ugochukwu. Eh? I am more romantic than you think.
You sure?
I have 4 wives in the village. And I am taking good care of them. I said I love you so much. More than the other person you call Ugochukwu. I am more romantic than you think he is. The reason I sent my wife to the village is so that I can spend quality time with you. That is the essence. I sent her to the village, my wife Benedict. I married 4 wives. And I'm taking good care of them. So you won't be my problem. There is money. So chop money. See, I want you to consider me. That is the essence of all this.
Okay.
Give me a chance. A trial will convince you. Okay. This is just like a preliminary of who I am. I am Mr. Romantic. In fact, way back in Imo State, where I served last before I retired, they call me OK Squash. My own name is OK.
Are you serious? Thank you very much, my love. You know, I love you so much.
You love me so much?
Yes, you're so sweet.
Eat meat. Eat meat. Just eat. For my sake. Feed me small.
Okay, my love.
Be romantic at least.
Okay.
Wait. I'm a muncher.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, I love Palamo.
I wonder why you're doing this to me. You turned me.
Where's my mother?
She's inside sleeping. She says she wants to take a little nap.
Has she eaten?
Well, no, I made her food, but then she said she wanted to rest a bit before she eats. So.
Wait, hold on. Are you telling me that a woman who came in since hasn't eaten till now? You never insisted.
That's what I'm trying to explain. I won't force her to eat. I asked her to eat, but then...
Will you shut up? Will you shut up? A woman who came since 6 o'clock and this is 10 p.m. she hasn't eaten? And you're saying what? Have you gone bonkers? Do you realize whose mother you're starving? The person who kept you here. You understand me? The person who married you with his money. The person that you are under his canopy and you're starving his mother? Are you sick? Where are you from?
Your mother said she wanted to. Stella, what is going on here?
Look at this fool.
Hey.
Mama, no, please. Please. I mean, I must know why this fool hasn't given you food.
It's not her fault. I told her to wait.
Why would she have waited? For what? If it were to be her mother, wouldn't she have insisted?
Hey, to force me to eat?
Of course.
As a child that I
No. As somebody who knows that she needs her drugs.
Get up. Oh, get up.
Rubbish. I don't care what happens, make sure this woman eats, okay?
Hey.
Make sure she eats.
Okay, why you have just changed? Eh? Come, get up.
Mama, do you know?
Hey.
Oh,
Mama. Hey.
Mama.
Yeah. Get up. It's not already. Get up, let's go inside. Go. I'll come and find you. You didn't even tell me what you're going today. Just go.
Where are you coming from at this time of the night?
Baby, why are you asking me such questions?
Is something wrong with you?
Don't tell me you're suspecting me of cheating.
Are you mad? I'm asking you questions and you are replying me with questions. Is something wrong with you?
But why would you be asking me such questions, baby?
Ugo, mama. Is anything the problem?
No, our landlord, no.
My car key. There's no problem, right?
No, no problem.
Oh, okay. No problem. I like tenants that have no problem at all.
Mama, this thing is getting too much. Are you sure you're not going? Let's go to the hospital.
Munachi, what do you want me to do? I will be fine.
Mama, I don't think you'll be fine like this. You are not going to be fine like this. You have been saying you are going to be fine, you are going to be fine. You're not going to be fine. What is all this, you know? This thing has passed going to chemist to buy drugs.
Munachi, what do you want me to do? I don't have any money to go to the hospital. What do you want me to do? Take this money. Go to Oboye market. Tell the chemist boy the drug this for me. Oh my course mix here.
Mama, I don't like this. Mama, this is not good. This I'll get angry and make money. I'll get angry and make money. This thing is getting too much.
Tell him to miss 5 days. Oh, 5 days drugs for you.
Why am I even doing this thing? I will not forgive poverty if I make money. And if I make this money, poverty you will see.
Landlord. Ugo, I want you to give me my car key. I will use my car to go to pensions office.
Landlord, that one is not possible. I want to make use of this car today now.
Ugo, we are talking about my car. I bought this car with my pension money for my pleasure. Huh?
Okay, see, Oga Landlord, what if I go to the internet and reveal to the world all you've been doing with my fiancé, your family, your children, everybody will see it.
Ugo. Please, I don't want to use it again. I will use keke, or even taxi to wherever I'm going. I only wanted to tell you that I want to take some documents inside the car and go to the pension office.
Okay, leave it.
Okay.
Leave it and go.
Yes, I will
Just
not
go.
I will not take it again.
You can have your key. Let it not be like as if I'm threatening you. Okay, see, let me tell you. You are getting old. You need exercise. Energize yourself now.
I will warm it and drive it.
Hey, take keke everywhere. Nobody's driving them. All you do is just to park them.
I will drive them.
Drive one. What are you about doing so here?
That is why I said I want to warm it now. I will drive it.
I know you when you walk that slowly. What is it?
My brother called. He said my mom is terribly ill. She needs medical attention immediately.
And how does that concern me? I'm a businessman, I'm not a doctor.
Honey, I know, but we need money to take her to the hospital. Honey, please, I need us to do this. I don't want anything to happen to my mother. She's the only parent I have left, please.
What's really going on? No, seriously, what is going on? Am I the only married man? No, seriously, am I the only married man? Huh? I mean, can't I get one good news from my in-laws? Is that too hard to ask? Is it? Every time it's always bad news, bad news. What is going on?
I beg you in the name of God, please. Pico, please.
Please what? No, please what? Look, it's very obvious, okay, that your family is cursed. Yes. Your family is not only cursed, but depraved, deprived. Morally too. I mean, and it's very obvious again that everything and everybody around that family is cursed. And it has currently sprinkled into my business. Why? Because of my association with your family through you. Now my business is, having issues. Why? Because I'm associated with you to your family. The economy is bad. I don't have money.
Please don't do this to me again. My mother's the only parents I have left.
And you have a brother. Muna, what is he doing? What is he doing at his age? No, tell me, what is he doing at his age? Can't he take the plunge and go take care of his mother? Can't he? Or you think I don't have family problems? Do I bring my family problems to you? Do I bring my family problems to your depraved and deprived family? No. Listen, I don't have money and that is final. What is this? If I read the handwritings on the wall, I wouldn't have married you. I don't have money. Don't touch me.
Doing this to me, you turn me to a slave. Please, my love, talk to me. One more, what is the problem? Why this hatred, even to my family? Why this anger, even to your wife? You claim to love me, show me the love. Where is the love? Go see me out. You claim to love me. Where is the love? Go see me out. Go see me for Nanyawa. You claim to love me. Where is the love? Go see me out. Go see me for Nanyawa. This is not love at all. This is wickedness. You are heartless. This is not love at all. This is wickedness. You are breaking. You are heartless. You change it, girl. You change it, girl. When I change it, I'm gonna begin to be. You change it, girl. How can you never give away? One more. You change it, girl. Baby, you change it, girl.
What do we call this kind of sickness now? What kind of sickness is this?
I don't know. Now your jumbo, I don't know.
We have to call your daughter Stella. Because this sickness is getting out of hand from the way I'm seeing it. We have to start looking for a black goat now that it's day. And let what happened before not repeat itself again. And in fact, where is Munachi?
He went to Oboye market to get some drugs for me.
We have to rush you to the hospital immediately. In fact, let us call Stella and her husband immediately. Very important. No.
Where are you coming from?
Backyard. I didn't even know you returned.
What are you doing at the backyard?
Exercising. I noticed I've added so much weight, so I decided to work out. Can't you see I'm getting big?
One day. One day. Okay. Alright, I'm going out.
Where are you going to again?
I came to collect something I forgot at home. So.
Where is this girl? Comfort? Huh? This girl should come. What is holding this girl? Comfort. I wish this girl will come up. Oh, you. Comfort. What is holding her? What is holding Comfort? Huh?
He's gone.
I saw him. In fact, let us go inside and finish what we started. You know, I love the way you are treating me.
I'm glad you love what I was doing to you.
I love it. I love is just understatement. I am swimming on top of it and inside it. You're killing me softly with your love. So let's go inside, eh? My water, no.
Now this should be the first and the last time I'll hear of you saying you want your mother to come here. Come here as what? For what reason? You understand me? Anybody from a Dozier family, I don't want to see in this compound. No, tell me for what? To come here and be spoiled? Spoiled, yes, because I know for sure the husband didn't build this house. Did your husband, aka your father, build this house? Did he? Has anybody within your lineage built anything like this? Huh? You're saying your mother should come to this house for what? Let me hear that again. Listen, I do not want to smell anything Edozie around this house. You understand me? Anything Edozie family, of course, because of course you people have a certain kind of smell. You understand? If I smell anything Edozie around here, you will have it hot with me.
Mona Chinso, our son, we called you here. Our people used to say that an adult will not sit at home and watch a she-goat give birth with a rope round its neck. Yeah.
You're very correct.
My son, it has not been up to 1 year. Your father, our brother, passed away. And we are not going to sit back nor fold our hands. Watch things happen twice.
In fact, what we are saying in essence, Monachi, is that it is quite obvious that you do not have what it takes to treat your mother. Yeah? She is sick and needs medical attention. According to tradition, it is the duty of the Ada to take care of her at old age. And now she's not responding positively. We are advising that you take her to Stella in the city for medical care.
Ambamie, Ichie, never! I will not go there. I will not step into that nonsense Seleboga house. The way Okenwa is behaving, I will not do it.
Monachi, listen, we are talking about life here. Set aside your ego. And let us save Susan's life. She is your mother.
Ichie, who is talking about ego here? Eh? Whether ego or not ego, it's not about ego or ego. See, this man, okay, is wicked and evil. And he's the assistant devil. You know he doesn't like this family. You saw what happened to this papa's burial. See, let me tell you, if you people force me to go to the city, I will go with Opio. Once I reach there, if he do nonsense, jam, boom, after poor, I will open his stomach, the water will come out. What is there? I will kill him, finish him. Nonsense, Teleboga. Who is he? Because he has money.
Munachi, you have a point. But we can't stop trying. Unless you have money to pay for hospital bill, which I doubt seriously.
Are you laughing at me? What do you
You see, two wrongs can never make a right. A little to the right, a little to the left. Okenwa is capable of saving Susan's life. Then give him the chance.
Two wrongs can make a right if there is bribe. Yes, now. Are you not in Nigeria? Are you not in this country? Go and ask some people.
Yes. Monachi, try again, please.
I should try again?
Yes.
It's all right. I have heard you. I will try again.
Please, I want you to really try.
I will try again. It's here. But you see that okay one? If I try again and he try me, I will carry that guy while I'm going to the city. I will make him. I feel poor. What all this silly burger? Nonsense.
Go give me my bag. Go give me my bag. Give me my.
Wait. Who wants this money? Hey! Look, I told you that one day your sins will find you out. Ashawo, how did you get this money? Answer me, oh. Jay! Who gave you this money? So this is what you'll be doing under my roof, jumping from one man to the other. Answer me, I'll kill you.
Go give me my money.
I'll kill you.
You go give me my money.
I'll kill you. Answer me.
Give me my money.
How did you get this money? How did you get this money?
Give me my money. Give me my money.
Look, how did you get this money? How did you get this money?
What's the problem?
Who gave it to you?
You're talking me.
Who gave it to you? Who gave you the money? Who gave it to you?
No, okay, go. Okay.
here, you old fool! What fool? Come out here, where's that man?
Who is that person? Who got you? Oh, you want to break down my wall and my door?
Okay,
do you know how much I bought this door?
Okay, forget all those nonsense you are saying.
I built this house and I bought this door with my hard-earned money.
Okay,
I want to break it up.
All this your grammar will not work. Me, I'll personally go to the bloggers. I'll post your pictures, your videos. Everybody will see. Me, I will rubbish you. You never see anything. I will rubbish your landlord.
Oh. You will rubbish me?
Yes.
Oh, you expect me to answer that question, isn't it? That I'm going out with your girlfriend? If that's what you have to say, then I will send you out of my house.
Landlord.
I said I will send you out of my house now.
I have the video. I have the video. I'll go to the bloggers and post everything everywhere.
And why are you still wasting time? You can go to the satellite so that the whole world will see it. You can go to the moon, Venus, you can go to the sun. I want it to be seen everywhere.
Okay, no. Is that what you have to say? This is what you have to say. Don't worry. I'll be back. I will be back, okay, landlord. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see.
Thought you are very knowledgeable. I didn't know you are a Rastafarian, a nincompoop. That's who you are. You are a liability, Babylon liability. Anofia. I said you're a Rastafarian, a Pugaboo.
Don't worry, we shall see. We shall see.
You are a Babylon liability. You are nonsense, a non-score, inesquatable. You are Petrus, Popkin.
Officer, this is the man here. Look at him with my fiancée. Arrest him.
Please, gentlemen, may I know you?
I'm Inspector James.
Inspector James?
Yes.
Please, let me see your warrant arrest, please.
Officer, you are wasting time. This man is gone. Arrest this man. I know what I'm saying.
Officer, do not worry. I will join you shortly at the police station. Do you think I'm an illiterate like you? You think I will run out of the law? Ah, no. I am not an illiterate like you. You belong to Ariaria. Eh? That's where you belong. Officer, like I said, I will join you shortly with my sweetheart. We are coming to the station just right after you.
I don't think you did that. There won't be need for that. Officer, he did not rape me. Okay. Yes. The videos, everything you saw, Ugo planned it. He made me do it. He's a very sweet man. He's a good man. He cannot do that. Ugo has been blackmailing him. Ugo, I've had enough of it.
Did you just hear that?
I don't want to be a part of it anymore. He's a very good man. I love him so much.
You see? Yes, this man is a criminal. What are you doing, Comfort? He has been owing me rent for 2 years. He refused to pay. He has been disturbing me and other tenants in this house.
He's a liar. Eh? He's a
liar. He connived with my sweetheart. It's just that she's a tailor-made, a godsend. Eh? And she refused to be part of this game.
Young man, I have enough of this nonsense. I'm giving you 2 days to pay your rent.
Officer, he's a liar.
So are you sure of this, your contact?
Yes, I'm very sure of it.
Good. Dr. Chris, in as much as we have been in business for a long time, my modus operandi has changed. I always want to know the final destination of my kidneys.
Okay, so if you must know, the Minister of Petroleum is the one in need of this kidney.
Blood group?
O negative.
O negative. Okay.
So if you're very conversant with the news lately, you should know she has been very sick for some time now.
Well, I don't care about the news. Okay? I only care about my business. Dr. Chris, being that you also understand that from your training, O negatives are very hard to come by. There will be a slight increase with regards to our rates right now. And I'm talking about 30%. Okay?
Okay, that's not a problem.
Not a problem.
Yeah.
All right then. So you will get your kidney.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
like church to you?
Open this gate, let's enter inside.
Ah, no. Now church, now everybody will enter. If you like, you enter. If you like, you come in. Here no be church. Here is my house.
I want to see my sister. Your madam.
My madam?
Yes.
You know when they come?
Yes. I'm the brother. This is the mother.
Yes.
I will came from the village.
Ha.
Open this gate.
My God don't tell me. You
Who
don't
is
tell
your
me. Ha.
Go in and tell your madam that the mother is here.
Can you imagine?
How about Mama Stella?
Go!
What is wrong with you?
See, my God give me instruction. Anybody that will go out from this gate or come in, the instruction must pass through him. Okay? Instead you open the gate, I'll open it for you.
Do you know that I'm his in-law?
In-law?
This is the mother-in-law. Open this gate, let's go inside, you silly bugger.
He did not introduce any in-law to me. So, hey! No! Amagita is auntie. Yeah?
And I will beat this boy, yo. I will beat this boy, yo. You silly bugger. Will you get that from the gate? Do you know who we are? We are the in-laws.
In-laws?
This is the mother-in-law.
My Oga did not introduce any in-laws to me.
Mama, are you with us? I'll beat this silly bugger.
I can't beat now. Go in there. Tell your madam that the mother is here. When you open the village, I have Mama Stella.
See, my mother is not feeling fine. If she die here, you will die too.
No problem. The mother is near here. It's not far from here.
Open this gate! Silly bugger!
Madam. I heard some noises outside. Who are those people at the gate?
Madam, now one sick woman and son. They say they be your mama. No, you know, I never see your mama before.
You mean my mother and brother are out there?
Madam, I don't know your mama. I don't know whether it's fair or it's dark. I never see your mama.
Can you just shut up and answer the straight question? My mom and brother are out there. So why did you leave them at the gate? Tell them to come in.
Madam, you don't know what you got talk. Anybody that have to go in or come inside this compound must transaction must be successful and approved before the person will come in. You know now.
You know what? Just leave.
I should go.
Say get out!
What's that? Hello. Good afternoon.
Oh, go.
How family?
No. Oh.
How many times have I told you that I do not want around my house urchins, lowlifes, beggars, mad people? How many times?
Oga, I told them. Did I tell you anything? Eh?
Come here.
Oga?
Say come here. Now, listen. Huh? Are you stupid?
My in-law.
No.
My in-law, please. Don't kill him. All my fault. Please. You are my last bus stop. Our last bus stop. I don't have any other person to turn to. Please. Do you want me to die?
You know, the truth of the matter is that I'm actually surprised you're still alive. Yes. You've gotten to your best before date. What are you talking about here? Because all your mates in the monkey world are all ancestors. Now listen here. I am going in. If I come back here and meet 2 urchins, beggars, lowlifes within my house, tell them they will end up in the worst prison in this country. You will be with them.
How's business? There's no business. How far? Mommy, I don't want to do it. I told you let's go. Now this thing will not work. Eh? You see now.
How do you want us to go?
Anywhere you want, you should go.
You don't even respond to my greeting. I want to get angry. I want to get angry. Rub them now, rub them now.
There is no amount of bed now.
Hey, no. Come on. Mama, I'm killing the man. See. Let me stand with the man.
If I stand up
what
for
silly?
If I stand up,
what silly?
I'm respecting you.
Just keep that stupid question to yourself. What are you doing in my hostel?
I came to visit you now.
And your common sense did not tell you that you're supposed to call me on the phone before coming to my hostel. Listen, you need to go. I don't want any of my friends to see you here, please.
Why are you talking like this? Why are you talking as if you're not proud of me? I don't understand now.
What I'm saying is that you're supposed to... Wait a minute. Okay, Ma.
Huh?
Don't tell me you came with that thing.
What thing?
You push me, I start before I... Come, you need to have it. I don't want my friends to see you here. You need to... No.
Stop this joke now. Stop this thing.
Stop flaunting that key. How can you come to this place? Come to my hostel with that thing.
What do you mean? What am I doing here? I don't understand.
Okay, Ma. I need you to leave this place. I don't want anybody to see you. I can't start explaining to my friend.
Baby, stop this joke, because stop this joke. You joke too much. See, I bought you these clothes. I want you to wear these clothes. I want to see how fine they'll be.
Okay, Ma, please, just go. We will see in the village and then we'll try it.
In the village?
Go now.